Hi my friends, I hope you are very well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create reports and Excel exports for data entities in your project in ATLAS.ti. So let me open the project. Alright, this is my project and I have different data entities in this project. The important note related to reports is that basically reports are available for documents, quotations, codes, memos, and queries. In other words, you cannot create reports for networks and links. But it is not a big issue because there is another feature in ATLAS.ti which is Excel export, and using this feature you can simply export the properties of any of these six entity types to an Excel file and then analyze those information. So because the process of creating reports and Excel exports are similar across different data entities, I just focus on documents. So in this video, I will create a report and an Excel export for a few documents in this project. Okay, basically Excel exports and reports can be created for one document, for a few documents, for all of your documents, for one document group, and also for multiple document groups. In this particular example, I'm just going to create a report for a few of these documents. So I select the one, this audio file, this Microsoft Word document, this PDF file, this video file, and this image file. So I've selected 5 documents. Now I click on report. Alright, there are a few options here that you can select. Let me deselect all of them. Alright, so I think the type of content is important to be added to the report, so I select that. Also, in case that you have comments for your documents and you would like to display the comments in your report, you can select this option, so comments for the documents. In case you would like to have the information related to the document groups in your project, you can select groups. Also, I would like to include the comments of any of these document groups in my report. Well, with respect to content, I don't think that it is a good idea to select this option because basically people may not be interested in the entire content of the document, but certainly they will be interested in the content of quotations within these documents. So if you select this content, this option here under quotations, it means that the content of the quotations within these 5 documents will be displayed in the report. Also, in case the quotations have comments, you can include the comments of the quotations in your report, and also the codes that have been assigned to these quotations. You can select this option to include the codes in your report. I think it's enough for a relatively informative document report. So I just click on create report. All right. So let's review this report very quickly. This is the title of the project, Project A, and the project has been created by me on 25th of, and sorry, the report has been created by me on 25th of April 2020. This report is a report for 5 documents, and this is the first document. This is the name of the first document, and this is the code of the ID of the document in my project. So 1 means D1, document D1. So basically it's an audio document, and there are 4 quotations in this document. Also note that there is a comment that previously I added to this document. So this is the comment that you can see here. All right. This document is a member of 2 document groups. One of them is multimedia group and the other one is site C group. And again, this is a comment that previously I had added to this document group, site C. All right, now these are the 4 quotations here. This is quotation 1.1, starting from second 0 to second 3, sorry. And there are 2 codes connected to this quotation, doctor and health. This is the second quotation, and this quotation starts from second 4 to second 11, and these are the 3 codes assigned to this quotation. This is the third quotation, quotation 1.3, starting from second 11 to second 18, and these are the 3 codes connected to this quotation. And lastly, this is quotation 1.4, starting from second 19 to second 25, and administration 1, change and organization are the 3 codes assigned to this quotation. All right, this is the second document in my report. So this is document D2. This is the name of the document. Basically, this document is a Microsoft Word document, and there is only 1 quotation in this document. Also note that this is the comment that previously I added to this document. This document is also a member of 2 document groups. One of them is site A and the other one is text group. All right. So as I mentioned, there is only 1 quotation in this document. So this is the quotation number 2.1, and this is a preview of the quotation, and this is the content of the quotation. And this quotation has been coded with 4 codes, namely administration 2, doctor, health, and organization. All right, now this is document D4. This is the name of the document. Basically, this document is a graphic document, and we have 4 quotations in this document. And note that this document is a member of 1 document group, which is site C, and this is the comment that previously I added to this document group. And these are the 4 quotations in this document, quotation 4.1. So you can see the content here and the 5 codes that have been assigned to this quotation. This is quotation 4.2, and this is the content of the quotation. And again, this quotation has a comment, so you can see the comment here. And in addition, this quotation has been coded with 1 code, which is innovation. Next, we have quotation 4.3. This is the content of the quotation, and this quotation has been coded with goal. And the last quotation in this document is quotation 4.4, and this is the content, and the quotation has been coded with support and teamwork. The next document is the PDF document, document D5. So this is the title of the document. It's basically a PDF document, and we have 5 quotations in this document. Also note that this document is a member of 2 document groups, namely PDF group and site A. And now here you can see the 5 quotations. So this is quotation 5.1. This is a preview, and this is the entire content of the quotation. And we have 7 codes that have been assigned to this quotation, namely administration 2, change, clinic, doctor, health, hospital, and innovation. The next quotation is quotation 5.2, and this is the preview of the quotation. This is the entire content of the quotation, and this quotation has been coded with one code, which is innovation. Next, we have quotation 5.3, and this is a preview of the quotation, and this is the content. And basically, this quotation has been coded with 4 codes. And then we have quotation 5.4. This is the preview, and this is the content of the quotation. And this is the code, the only code that have been assigned to this quotation. And lastly, we have quotation 5.5. This is the preview of the quotation, and this is the content of the quotation. And this is the only code that has been assigned to this quotation. And finally, we have our last document, document D8. This is the name of the document. Basically, it's a video document, and we have 3 quotations in this document. And also note that this document is a member of one document group, which is multimedia group, and these are the 3 quotations. So quotation 8.1 starting from second 2 to second 7, which has been coded with organization. Quotation 8.2 starting from second 7 to second 19, which has been coded with 3 codes, namely goal, teamwork, and theoretical foundations. And quotation 8.3 starting from second 20 to second 29, and this quotation has been coded with 3 codes. You can also save this report as a Microsoft Word document or a PDF file. All right, let me close that. So that is how you can create a report for a few documents. Now let's create Excel export for these 5 documents. So the documents have already been selected. I just click on Excel export. Now here again there are some options. Let me deselect all of them first. All right. So you can include the ID of the document in the Excel file, the name of the document, the type of the document, what type of media is that? I mean, is it a Microsoft Word document? Is it PDF? Is it audio file? So you can export this information to an Excel file. In case that there is a comment for any of these documents, you can include the comment in the Excel file. Location here refers to the library, ATLAS.ti library, so I don't select this option. In case you would like to add the information related to document groups, you can simply click that. Also, the codes that we have in any of these documents, you can have those codes in the report in this in this Excel file. And lastly, the number of quotations within each of these 5 documents is also preferred. So I just select that this option, and I think the rest are not important, so I don't select them. So if I click on export, now I have one Excel file. So the first row containing the information is actually related to document D1. So basically it's this is the name of the document, and it's an audio file. This is the comment that previously I added to this document. Here you could see that this document is a member of 2 groups. One of them is multimedia group and the other one is site C group. And also these are the codes that have been assigned to the quotations within this particular document. And basically we have 4 quotations in this document. Let me have a look at another one, maybe this image file. So this is document D4, and this is the name of the document. It's an image file. There is no comments for this document in the project, and this document is only a member of site C, and these are the codes that have been assigned to the 4 quotations within this particular document. Alright, you can save this or it's up to you. I don't save it. Alright, so this is how we can create reports or Excel exports for documents, and as I mentioned previously, the process is almost the same across different data entities. Alright, that's it. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much.